You won't believe something like this actually exists in Langley. Check out this incredible sky-high ceilings, and for less than $2,500 a month, you could own this stunning 4-year new home in one of the most luxurious communities in Langley. And that's not all. Step outside, you'll find your own private 85,000 square foot large park, a resort-style amenities, including an outdoor pool, a basketball court, and so much more, and the vibrant Willoughby Town Centre at your doorstep. Today, we're exploring why this isn't just a home, it's your ultimate lifestyle upgrade. So when you enter this home, you'll be immediately impressed by these 12-foot high ceilings. You got massive floor-to-ceiling windows, bring tons of natural lights to this area, and it's perfect to brighten up your morning. Now this door leads to a covered balcony, and the good thing is there's no one above you, so bring you peace and quiet, and also it's perfect to enjoy your coffee in the morning or one wine in the afternoon. Now, as we head into the heart of this home, this modern kitchen, you got this entertainer's island. You can host your family gatherings, dinings, or put some bar stool there to be your home office. You got practical dual sinks, quartz countertop, and sleek design cabinetry for your storage needs, and complemented with top-of-line stainless steel appliances. Another standout feature is full-size laundry. Both bedrooms feature east-facing windows, inviting sunlight to pour in gently. The functional layout ensures each room feels open and comfortable. Now, the primary bedroom didn't just offer space, it provides a sense of luxury. This ensuite bathroom is simply stunning. You got dual sinks, you got an oversized walk-in shower with a built-in bench. It's perfect to read a book while enjoying the shower. And get this, your own 85,000 square foot private park, whether you are playing with your kids or just enjoying them yourself. This is truly unmatched in the area. We're also 10 minutes walk away from Willoughby Town Centre. You can grab your coffee, groceries, or having brunch with friends. Now, Willoughby Elementary School is nearby, and the newest addition to this area is the Willoughby Community Centre and the future SkyTrain station. This neighborhood is only going to get more connected, more vibrant, and more valuable. So whether you are a first-time home buyer, a downsizer, or someone simply loves Langley's lifestyle, this home offers it all at an affordable price. If you're ready to make the move, my name is Ken. I'm from True Partner Real Estate Team. Give me a call, text, or email to make this home yours before anyone else.